Hey everyone, this is Drew at Headset Advisor, and today I'm going to show you which headset replaced the Plantronics Savvy W720. So if you're going online trying to order that headset but see that it's out of stock, that's because it's been discontinued, and I'm going to show you the model that replaced it. So let's get into it now. If you see here, this is the Plantronics Savvy W720 that you're probably familiar with or trying to order. This is the replacement model. This is the Plantronics Savvy 8220, and if you can see, there's quite a bit of a difference here if you look at these two. Savvy 8220, which is the newest model, Savvy W720. The advantage of the Savvy 8220 is the cushions, number one, are much larger. Number two is the headset has active noise cancellation now. So if I'm going to take this off and I'm going to show you real quick. Right here, there's a button that you can turn on for active noise cancellation. Turn that off to turn it off. And that's going to help reduce ambient noise in your background environment. So say if you're in a loud office or home office space and you're trying to reduce unwanted noise, having that active noise cancellation is just going to further help reduce the noise. Now, the cushions on here are a big improvement over the Savvy W720. I'll put this on so you can see what it looks like. Right away, I can tell you the 8220 is a lot more heavy duty, but still very comfortable. This is more, the W720 is certainly lower profile and more lightweight though. But if your main goal is to reduce unwanted noise, the Savvy 8220 is a very nice upgrade to the W720. They made the cushions a lot bigger leatherette. It's more padded on the headband, which is nice. Overall, it's a better fit and finish to the Savvy W720. Also, I've used this headset on the computer for music, and it actually sounds pretty good for a business grade headset. Most other business grade headsets like the W720, they really don't sound good for anything outside of business calls. So the Savvy 8220 gives you a nice upgrade on that audio for your music. So if you're doing a mix of business calls, but you also want to listen to maybe some music in between those calls, the Savvy 8220 is one of the better business grade decked headsets that I've personally tested. So on one last thing is on the headset for the W720, there's a plus, a minus, and then your mute, unmute. On the 8220, you're going to have, if you go right and left, there's a control. I don't know if you can see it here, but you can rotate the headset right and left to adjust your hearing volume. This is your answer end key. And then the nice thing about the mute feature is you can't miss it. It's red. It lets you know that that's the mute button. You just tap that to mute, tap that again to unmute the microphone. Whereas on the W720, some customers really just didn't even know that what this did or why this button was here, or didn't even know it was there really, until finally they reach out and then we tell them that this is the mute and unmute button. So overall, this headset, the Savvy 8220, is the replacement to the W720. It's a nice upgrade and a headset that you should consider. If you do like the W720, you're going to love the 8220. So if you have any questions, reach out to us here at Headset Advisor. If you're looking for a different option overall, let us know your specific needs and we can match you with the perfect headset depending on what you tell us. If this video is helpful, please hit the like, subscribe for more videos like this, and leave us a comment with your thoughts.